Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ucirak paswan Pdeng Myntri Jong ki karkhana penmi jingbam haga jinglek Jngoh ye Meghalaya pavilion haga World Food India arajar arpusau haga singsa jan ka arpu wetrik unailor kabala penlong ha pragati Medan New Delhi ulai ke jingyero ye ke jingroy jong ke jela Meghalaya haga liang ke jing penmi ye ke jingbam kabala pen snau tenat yo te Menteri Sorkar Pdeng ha kaba ula penti kenaru ban ai ke jing kershan kaba pura ye ke jela Meghalaya de ke Sorkar Pdeng Lasan ranlang ye da usri gunanka di BIFS Joint Secretary jong katanat karep karyang bat kabaha kamiat jong kinong rep ke Sorkar Meghalaya. Hagani ke jingwan Jngoh jong ucirak ulas ngotenat ya ke sinjam kabala shim de ke Sorkar Meghalaya kabede bagi jing penkrei ki marba mardi bat ke jing rep organik uliyaro khamtam jika Meghalaya collectives karukam terekam ke bathmai ban kenteu ki seng nong penmi mar rep kaba sengkam sengjam haki nong kendong bat kirukam rep kibala banne. Ka Meghalaya pavilion ka don ki Meghalaya collectives ki bedan arpu waitli ki jat jingbam bat ki seng nong rep. Kini ki jat mar ki kinthop ki mar bala penkeu dor bala snan usojo ba paunam jong lakadong usojo khasi usojo ko usojo trairi usojo bat ki wei ki mar tenrai. Ka Meghalaya collectives kada jing temu jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya ban penkup bori ki paj ba anong kendong lingba ke FPO ke jing kenteu ye ke kam seng jam anong kendong ki tu kam rep ki bane ha ke jing penyaso ya ki yo ki hat kini ke kam trai kam lang ka temu ban kenteu ye ke yo ke kot jong ki nong rep ban kenteu ru ye ke jing mi ya ki marep mariang bat ban kenteu ye ki mar ki ba kerpang jong ka Meghalaya.
Over and above state is offering our main area also kind of testing laboratories also. We are very
Center is always there to help you in all your initiatives. I really like the look and the feel of your pavilion. You have actually got the feel of Meghalaya and the way you are growing, especially in the sector of food processing. I mean, we as the center government is 100% there with you to help you in all your initiatives. Thank you. Thank you.
to sanitize the packaging, the quality, and we are also having the steel